Usage reports in MackinVIA help you track how your digital resources are being used, giving you insights to support planning, renewals, and collection development. Start by opening the Reports menu and selecting Usage. This is where you'll track how your digital resources are being used across your school or district. If you manage more than one MackinVIA account, be sure to select the correct one before continuing. For a broad overview of digital activity, set the Scope drop-down to All to see district-wide data. If you'd like to focus on just one school or library, choose Location to hone in on that specific site. Next, use the calendar icons to set your reporting date range. Then choose the resource type you'd like to view: audiobooks, databases, ebooks, links, videos, or simply all. You can also narrow your results by group or category, or leave those set to all. And if needed, you can filter by provider as well. Once your filters are set, click View Report to see the results on screen. Here at the top, you can continue to adjust your report settings. Just remember to refresh the report after making any changes. When you're ready, you can also export the report to Excel for sharing, filtering, or deeper analysis offline. Below the filters, you'll see key statistics, including the total number of logins, views, checkouts, and online reads, and requests. Keep in mind, usage reports show overall activity, not data tied to individual users. If you're viewing a report for one location, you'll see the statistics listed by title. You can sort by clicking on any of these column headers. Or use Search to quickly find what you need. For reports covering multiple locations, the data is grouped by school and activity type. Valuable insights from usage reports can help you spot trends, identify gaps, and plan future purchasing decisions, keeping your collection relevant, accessible, and aligned with your students' needs.